Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Anubhuti. Today it's 1st of Jan 2025. So happy new year everyone. And as you know, I'm in Bangkok. And what I love about Bangkok is there are a lot of activities to do in terms of exhibitions, workshops, cafes, etc. And today we are going to go to this one fun cafe called Artist Cafe. And without revealing too much, let me just take you there and show you how fun it is. Let's go. So guys, we are at Bangalore BTS station, and from here we are going to reach the Asok BTS metro station. From there we'll be taking an MRT and going to which stop, Akshay?
Bang Phao.
Bang Phao. Yeah.
Okay.
So we are at MRT station. So there's a difference between the BTS and MRT. And for MRT, you need to take another separate, make a card or take a token to reach your specific stations. So yeah, this is where we are. We are taking exit number 4, and from here there's around 1 kilometer of walk to reach the cafe. So yeah, come with us. Hope you're enjoying this video so far, and if you are, then do not hit a like and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Copyright claim. Stop singing. This area seems to be quiet and peaceful, or maybe it's just 1st of Jan and everybody is feeling lazy and want to take a nap. I don't know what's the reason behind it, but we'll soon find out. Currently still walking. I think we are setting the tone right for 2025. What we both enjoy is explore new places, doing new things together. And we're doing something new together today, which is, I think, really great. Because if we wanted, we could have stayed at home, chilled at home, watched Netflix, ordered food, but no. We decided to show up, get out of the house, and see a new place. So kudos to us. Let me know in the comment section if you're doing something new on 1st of Jan. The Artist House is a centuries-old house turned gallery in Thonburi across the Chao Phraya River. It's an excellent spot to escape from the city's modern buildings and hectic traffic for a day. It's quite a cool place. I would actually count it as a hidden gem of Bangkok. Step 1 is to order a coffee or pay for the activity you want to go ahead with. It could be a DIY bead, bracelet, or a necklace, and they have a lot of other activities too. So there's DIY frame, you can do miniatures also. There's calendar. What will you like to do, Akshat?
Chill.
Honestly, it was quite a unique place filled with different forms of art and culture, and I could see a lot of people in different corners of the cafe working on their activities, painting, chilling with their coffees. I really enjoyed the cafe. Miniature you can do, na? Put it on your table. So I chose to do a DIY beaded bracelet and went to the staff for instructions.
You hold the thing together like this.
Okay.
And put it on here.
Mm-hmm.
Sting it down.
Okay.
When you make it, maybe right here. You check your wrist and come here. We will try for you.
Okay.
Thank you.
And do I need to have certain number of beads or how
Maybe
many?
allow it.
Ah.
It's enough for your waist.
Okay.
Thank
You. Which are for the
You can
hand?
shoot all.
Ah, okay. Thank you. So guys, I'm deciding which beads to pick. Finally, I have my beads here. I'm keeping it neutral. They do have a wide range of colors, but I wanted to keep it something which I could wear daily. So it's on the rounds of black and white. So all you have to do is take this tray, and based on whatever assembly or alignment of your beads, you have to keep beading them in. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let me just make sure the alignment is correct. Now the question is which bead should go first.
Okay.
And a star because I'm a star.
Isn't it Mumia too? Rest so far.
This, I think it's turning out to be fine. If needed, we can get more beads.
Yes, this way.
This is my progress so far.
2,000 years later.
This is how my bracelet has come out to be. We'll probably finish our coffee, and then once we go down, the staff will help us to make it into a bracelet, and then we'll see how the final product is. Well, we did not leave so soon. We sat there with our coffees. I was appreciating my beaded bracelet. And yes, we were appreciating the view of the Chai Phrao River. It was beautiful. You can easily spend hours and hours at this cafe.
Yes.
But you didn't make anything.
Time is not equivalent to directly proportional to if I'm making anything or not.
Oh my god. What thoughts? Great thoughts. It's a beautiful space and quite spacious, I must say. It had beautiful pieces of art hung on the walls everywhere. There's enough seating for everyone. So just come, sit, chill, do your activity, sip on your coffee, or just spend some good quality time with your friends, or even bring a date. I think it suits everyone and it has everything or something for everyone.
Where are you going?
Out. There are basically shops on both the sides, and we are walking these small alleys right across, like right next to the river. Now, what's the plan, Asok? What's our plan?
We go with the flow.
We go with the flow. Probably we go to Sanam Chai. And yes, it's an actual station. And we go there, grab something to eat, and then go back home. If you're enjoying this video, do not forget to hit a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Can you tell my audience to like, share, and subscribe?
Subscribe, share, and like.
Okay, you heard it right. We don't mind which order, but do it. Do it now. We are going to take the MRT again and go to Sanam Chai. That's the plan for now. Back to MRT. Did you have a good time, Akshat? So we got off at Sanam Chai station, and this is quite a popular touristy neighborhood. And there we kind of walked towards a very famous cafe, which is a vegan cafe called Vegan. It's an amazing cafe if you're a vegan or a vegetarian. Try it out. We had an amazing, sumptuous meal there, which was our kind of a late lunch. Then right next to the cafe, we went to the viewpoint to watch a glorious sunset with Wat Arun view. And let me tell you, it was one of the best sunsets I had ever seen in Bangkok. We waited for the sun to completely set and see the colors change in the beautiful sky. So today was a great day. We are going back after watching an amazing sunset at Wat Arun. Actually, we were standing right opposite to Wat Arun. So from the Wat 4 area. And yeah, it was an amazing start to 2025. Hope the whole year is filled with amazing sunsets, trying new experiences, visiting new places and exploring new things. Bye!